Today we are going to make simple dumplings. You will need dumpling wrappers, meat, shrimp, ginger, salt, and 1 egg. You're going to mix your meat and your shrimp up. Crack your egg and pour all the yolk in. And don't forget your ginger. Then you're going to get your dumpling wrapper and fill it up with your filling. Then you're going to get your water and put it on your fingers and fold it up. And you're almost done. Let's make another one. You're going to fill it up with your filling, dab your fingers, fold it, and you're done. Now all you have to do is cook it.
So this is cold water. Bring it to boil. Once it's boiled, you put your dumpling in, either one by one or whole thing. So we now cook only 6 of them. Close the lid. Let it bring a boil again. Meanwhile, this is leftover. We can always put it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. Tomorrow bring it out and boil it the same way, and you have a meal. So we put it all in and zip it up, airtight. And put it in the freezer. And this thing is going to boil. And get your scooter ready. And once you put it on the plate, you can shake it a little bit so it won't stick together.
And now we just have to wait.
Waiting cattle never boil.
Leave in the comments below what's your favorite food.
The filling could be with the vegetable in it too. So all you have to do is just vegetable cut very small and put it on the basic ingredient, and you could wrap it at the same time. Mostly people use bok choy because that is a little bit green, a little bit white, and tastes very sweet. I think it's boiling already, so I'm going to open it and sort of moving it around so it won't stick to the bottom. And as my mom told me, after it boils, it should put in a little bit of cold water and bring it to boil again. That will make the wrapper skin very smooth. Okay, so that concludes our making the dumpling, and thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. See, this is being a boil again.
Subscribe and like for more videos.